Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Last session we have started to learn about HTML, right? What is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language, right? We have learned the basics about HTML, right? We have seen what is HTML and we have seen about writing the HTML document, HTML documents structure. We have seen about HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag, right? So we know the structural tags of HTML, right? And we have started to learn about editing, reloading the source files, viewing the web page, and about creating a web page and all, right? And we saw about the HTML attributes, that is dir and lang, right? And today we are going to see about attributes of body tag, right? Body tag means it defines the document's body, right? The contents of the HTML page will be within the body tag only, right? This has many attributes. The first one is background color. The attribute for that is BG color is equal to color, right? That is the background color. By default, if you see, all the browsers will display the text on a white background only, right? If you want to change that white color and if you want some other color, you can use this BG color tag, right? To tag, this tag is used to change the background color, right? How will you use this tag? This one you have to use inside body tag. So this is the attribute of body tag, right? So if you are using this BG color, you have to use have to open the body tag first. Inside the body tag, you will use BG color equal to color name. You will give color name and hyphen, or you will give the color code. Color code will be there, or color you can give the color's name also directly. Here they have given an example for that. First you will open the HTML tag and then head tag and then title tag, and then you will close the title tag, close the head tag, and then you will open the body tag, right? While opening the body tag itself, if you need background color, you have to give BG color is equal to whatever color you need, you have to give. If you need red, you can give red. If you need blue, you can give blue. Here they have given yellow, right? So this is my browser with different colors, like that one text they have given. So that text will be displayed in the browser, right? And then body tag is closed and then the HTML tag is also closed, right? So here the output will be, the Internet Explorer will display the output like this with yellow background, and the text which you have given will be displayed on that yellow background, right? The six, here we have some color codes also, right? You can give the color name also. This can be used for only few colors, right? But this color code will be there. It will have a hexadecimal value. This will be for more flexible colors, right? Many colors can be added using this color codes, right? Here the 6-digit hexadecimal value is the combination of 3, 2, maybe a 3-digit number, or maybe a 2-digit number sequence which represent a color. Okay, first 2 digits will be represented with red, and the next 2 digits for green, and at last the last 2 digits for blue, that is RGB. RGB is red, green, blue, you know, right? RGB is the color code, and this first 2 digit will represent the red color, next 2 digit will represent green color, and last 2 digits will represent blue color, right? In this range of 0, 0, that is for FF. For example, if you say, if it is a black, it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? And if it is white, it will be FF, like that, right? If it is a bright red, it will be FF0000, right? You can try out different combinations using this codes also, right? You can use some basic color names or color codes to this HTML elements, right? Some browsers will support nearly 140 colors to be in this background, right? Here, if you are using this color code, you have to use the hash, that tag before the prefix of that color code, right? The color code will be like this. Here they have given a table for some basic colors, right? For red means you have to give the color code as hash FF0000, right? That color name is olive, right? The hexadecimal value will be, if it is olive, the hexadecimal value will be hash 808000, right? If it is for blue, it is hash 0000FF. Like that, whatever color you need, you can just use this hexadecimal value. This is given in your book in page number 225, right? You can just check it out, and if you are doing the HTML code, you can use these codes also, and you can design the page with background colors, right? And the next one, here they have given an example also in page number 226. You just refer it, okay? Inside the body tag, instead of giving the colors name, they have given the color code, right? The next one is body text color. This text is equal to color. Like that, the default text color of the body section is black. Okay, if you are giving any text, it will be displayed in black color only as a default one. It is often called as automatic color. That black is the automatic color. Okay, this attribute within the body tag will be used to change this color of the text. Okay, the tag used to change the text color or the text in the body section will be text, right? Body tag first you have to open, and then text is equal to, and then you can give the color name or you can give the color code also, right? Like this, here you can see an example, right? Here they have given the color code, right? This is my browser with different colors. In this that page, the text will be displayed in that color, right? FFFF00. What is the color? You can see the chart there in page number 225, right? FFFF00 is for yellow color, right? So the text will be displayed in yellow color. Okay, next one is background image. If you want to insert a image in the background, in the last heading we have seen about giving a color in the background, right? Here it is background image. For that, background is equal to image, right? Image or a picture, you can give it in the background of the web page. When you insert the image as the background, the text will be displayed on the top of the image only, right? The background images can be it may be a photo, or it may be a bitmap, or it may have any texture also, right? When you insert a small image, the browser will take the image and repeats it across the down to fill the browser window, right? If you are inserting a GIF image, that is an animated image, means it will create an interesting look than a color, right? So here we are going to include a image in the background. Okay, the file name of that particular image should be given inside this body tag, right? Inside the body tag, you will give body background is equal to, and then the file name of that particular image, right? You can either give it inside double quotes, or if you are not giving the double quotes also, no issues. You will get the same result only there. If your image file name is too long, or you can split it as your split as two more words, or along with path, you should specify within the double quotes, right? If it is only the name, you can just include the name, right? If an image file and the HTML source are located in different locations, that means your HTML file is in drive E and your image is in drive C, means you cannot take that. First you have to set the file path. First you have to give the drive file path and the folder's name and then the file name correctly, and then only you can insert the image inside this web page, right? For example, if an image file is in a folder and it is in a E drive, means you have to specify the full path within the double quotes. That means you have to give body tag. Inside that body tag, background is equal to, if it is in E drive, you have to give double quotes. You have to open the double quotes, E colon slash. Inside that you will have images folder, means images, and then again slash, and then you can give the next folder name, and then again slash. You have to give all the folders name till you reach the file, right? And then at last you can give the close the double quotes, and that's it. to insert a image, right? And the next one, setting margins. Setting margins means you will have to give the value of the margin. For that, you have to give margin is equal to value, right? The margin refers to the blank area from the left or a top or from the edge of the browser window, right? Generally, there is no default margin and all in the browser screen, in that settings and all. If you want to leave some space as margin to the left, or you want to leave some space in the top, you can use this left margin or top margin, right? These are the attributes which will be used for having the margin, right? The tag to specify the left and top margins are, you have to give it along with the body tag only. We are seeing about the attributes in the body tag, right? So body tag first you have to open, and then left margin is equal to, and then you can give the value. The value means you have to give the pixel. It may be a 72 pixels to an inch, like that. You can give the value inside that, and then top margin means top margin is equal to, and then you can give the value, right? When you give this value there, if you are giving 50 means that particular amount of space will be left blank, right? Left margin means in the left side, top margin means in the top section, right? The statement, that is the body left margin is equal to 50. Like whatever you are giving will indent the body text 50 pixels away from the left end, right? If you are giving it for top margin means from top it will move your text to 50 pixels, right? Here they have given an example to create a web page HTML with some specifications, right? First you have to have the title as my first web page, and the text to be displayed in that is welcome to computer application, and then the background color must be lime, the body text color must be blue, and the margins from left and top is 1 inch, like that they are given. You know to change it, right? 1 inch means we saw there 1 inch is equal to 72 pixels, right? If you need 1 inch, you have to give 72 pixels, right? So you know to write the coding for that, right? Likewise, you can give your own specifications and you can design pages, right? If you want, you can insert any color, or if you want, you can insert any image, or if you want, you can insert your photo also in the background of that web page, right? The next one we are going to see is headings. Okay, headings means this is used to include the titles to the section of a web page, right? We have 6 levels of headings in this HTML, right? We have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, right? This the number with H. This will indicate the level of heading. Okay, header tags are displayed the body text as bolder and larger in size according to its level. Okay, the syntax of this heading tag means before and after the particular text you have to give this heading tag before and after, right? The opening of the heading tag is slash, closing is slash h1. H1 means first you will open h1, and when you see this example you will understand. First you will write the HTML head section. Inside that head section you will write the title and you'll close it, close the head section and open the body tag. After that you have to give the heading tags, right? Heading tag means H1 means you have to give the H1 inside the tag, and then you can give the text which you need in H1 level, right? And then you have to close the header tag. That heading tag, how will you close? Slash H1, right? Here you will have got the clear idea here. See, H1 means that is the higher level of heading, right? It will be big. H2 will be little smaller than the H1, right? H3 is some more smaller than H2. Then likewise, H6 is the smallest one, right? You can see this in page number 229 in your books, right? They have given the different levels of headings. They have given the browser window also there. If you are given H1 means you will get it like the first line, it's bigger, right? If you are giving H6 means it's the last line, it is so small, right? So this is the variations in this level of headings, right? Attributes of heading tags. Align is an attribute to set. You can align the text to right or center, or you can justify the alignments also, right? Left means it is the default alignment. If you want the text in left, you don't have to give anything, right? So that it is not supported in the latest versions of HTML and all. Justify alignment means it is this is supported in older browsers only. Okay, the tag it's used to align the headings is H1 or H. You have to give open the heading tag and then align is equal to and then the value you have to give. Right here, the in the book they have given H hash. Hash is they have given the level. You can give H1, H2, H3, whatever you need, right? Till H6 you have the heading tags. You can give any one, and inside that tag itself you have to give align is equal to and then the value, right? The value means in heading in alignment what are the values? Maybe right, center or justify, right? Justify means it is the alignment which is used only for paragraphs. Okay, the meaning of alignment means it is same as we have seen in the word and all, right? If you need it right, you will give right. If you need it left, you will give left, right? Here left is the default one, so left is not there, center or right, right? Justify means you are having a paragraph, you want to justify it for a page means you will give the justify. Okay, the next one is line breaks and paragraphs. Line breaks means a browser application are having some special rules for displaying the text. Okay, they will not recognize the returns or the tab or even some more space also they won't recognize. If you create an HTML document with many lines of text, the browser will display it in a single line only, right? So we need paragraph tags or line break tags and all, right? To break a line, we'll have break tag. For line break, we have BR tag, right? This BR is an empty tag. This will not have a closing tag and all, and it won't have any attribute also. It should be placed at the end of the line, right? When you are placing BR tag, if you are writing I am Jenny, and then if you are giving BR tag, and then I am writing another line means I am Jenny. That much will come in one line, and wherever you are giving this BR tag, the line will be split to next line. Like you have enter key in the keyboard, right? Like that, here in HTML, you will use this BR tag to get a new line, right? If you are having a paragraph, in HTML we can create paragraph also, right? Paragraph means we have paragraph P at P tag, right? To identify as a paragraph, we'll use P tag and it has a ending tag also slash P tag also, right? It will display as a paragraph in the browser, right? The browser will not recognize the paragraph tag and all when you press the enter key. For that, you have to give P tag, right? The opening tag is inside the greater than and less than symbol, you will have P tag. The closing is slash P, right? Instead of pressing the enter key to identify a paragraph, here we'll use this P tag, right? That is about paragraph tag, right? Here in this, here they have given an example also in page number 231 and 232. In 231, you have the codings to give a paragraph, right? And in page number 232, if you see if you give a paragraph tag, how it will display. That one they have given here in page number 232. Just refer it, right? And the next one is changing the paragraph alignment. We all know that there are types of paragraph alignments in word processor, right? Here in HTML also we have 4 paragraph alignments, that is left, right, center and justify, right? The text which you want to type, you will be typing inside the P tag and slash P tag, right? This is aligned to left as a default one. To change the alignment of this, you will have the align attribute and this one you have to use with the P tag, right? Here the tag is used to specify the alignment to this paragraph only, right? Here you can give uh, P. First you will open the that symbol greater than or less than symbol, right? And then you will write P and then align is equal to, if you need right or if you need center or if you need justify, you will give that and you will close that P tag, right? your left is not enabled, right? Why? The default thing is left, right? If you want your paragraph to be aligned to left, you don't have to give anything. As a default one, whatever you are typing will be aligned to left only, right? The keyboard shortcut to change the paragraph alignment in Word, right? But that won't work here in HTML, right? And the next one is comments. Comments means that are used to describe the page or to provide some kind of indications of the status of the page, right? That means the tag with exclamatory mark that is used to create the comments, okay? Here in HTML, the text whichever you type within this tag will be taken as comments only. It will not be displayed in the browser, or it will not be processed also. It will be ignored by the browser, right? The comments never show up on screen. The comments will be placed. You can, if you are teaching something to someone, you are you are teaching a HTML means whatever tags you are giving, it will be processed and you will be getting the result in the web browser, right? Here in this comment tag, if you are using this exclamatory mark before that tag, before any tag, before whatever you are typing, it won't be displayed in the web page, right? It is when you are writing HTML, inside the comment tag, if you are writing, this is the header tag, head. This is the header tag, body. This is the body section. Likewise, if you want to mention something which you know need to get it on the screen, but you have to show to someone who is seeing the code, means you can use this comment tag. Okay, the general form of comment tag is an exclamatory mark will be there before the text, right? And the next one is container and empty elements. Okay, the HTML element will be classified into two types: container elements and empty elements. Okay, container elements means the tags which are required with opening and closing. That means it is a container elements or tags, right? For example, if you see HTML tag will have a opening tag and a closing tag, right? Body tag, title tag, p tag, this and all will have opening tag and closing tag. That is container elements or container tags, right? And if you see BR tag, that is break tag and all, line break and all, it won't have the opening tag and closing tag, right? This is referred to as empty tags. Okay, the tags which are required only opening tag means it is empty tags or empty elements, right? The example for that is BR tag, right? So here they have given some functions also here in page number 233, and they have given some points to remember in this HTML. You just make a note of it and read it before attending the next session, right? Thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.